Hello and welcome. My name is Reese, and today I'm introducing the DuoBoard, BenQ's corporate interactive display designed for collaboration. DuoBoard's key feature is called Collaboration Plus. What is it exactly? I'll explain the details in a bit, but first let's talk specs. The DuoBoard is available in 65 and 86 inches and features 4K UHD capacitive touchscreens, working both in landscape and portrait mode. It has a full HD camera and a 6-microphone array designed for video conferencing. The DuoBoard also offers excellent compatibility with OPS, HDMI, VGA and USB support. Its screen uses direct bonding technology that drastically reduces parallax error, or the visual gap between the touch point and the display panel. This ensures precise handwriting input every time. We at BenQ designed the DuoBoard for effective teamwork. With this in mind, we focused on 3 things: collaboration, casting, and conferencing. For collaboration, we offer 3 special modes that we collectively call Collaboration Plus. The first is the DuoBoards mode. It allows you to connect 2 boards together and effectively doubles your workspace. The second mode is DuoOS, which lets you view 2 operating systems on the same screen. The third is DuoWindows, that allows you to run 2 apps side by side. With casting, you can wirelessly share your screen from your personal device and control it directly from the board. Finally, we have conferencing. You can host video calls directly from the DuoBoard using the built-in app or your preferred video conferencing solution through the OPS slot computer. With all these features, the DuoBoard ensures seamless collaboration so that you and your team can develop better, more innovative solutions. Double your workspace through the DuoBoards mode. This feature allows you to pair 2 boards together, giving you and your colleagues more room to collaborate. To link 2 boards, just place them side by side and tap Pair. To access your files, simply log in with your credentials or use an NFC card. You can then access your cloud storage through the BenQ Account Management System, or AMS, which enables you to link your OneDrive, Dropbox or Google Drive accounts directly on the DuoBoard. The DuoBoard also has a floating tool that lets you annotate on both boards, over documents, pictures or even videos. You can then take a screenshot and either save the file locally or on your cloud storage account, or directly import it onto the Whiteboard. And because DuoBoards expands your workspace, you have more room to interact with the elements on the screen and get more people working on the same project at the same time. DuoBoards lets you get more hands on deck. With a broader workspace, it's easier to move things around and collaborate with double efficiency. DuoOS mode allows you to view 2 different operating systems on the same screen. One is the built-in Android OS, while the other can be the operating system of your OPS machine or of any device connected to the DuoBoard. It's easy to use. With only 2 taps, you get instant access to any available input source. Let's use the OPS computer. Once selected, the OPS screen appears in a window. You can then resize it, move it around, and control it as you wish. You can also use your notebook. Just connect it to the DuoBoard via any of the available input ports. Switching from one source to another is easy. This setup is very convenient, since it allows you to access files and programs that would normally not run on the built-in Android OS. You and your team will now be able to work on projects that require special software. DuoOS frees up OS-based restrictions, giving you more liberty to do more. DuoWindows mode allows you to run 2 apps side by side, or work on an app while viewing a different input source beside it. To use it, just tap the DuoWindows icon, and then drag the apps you want to use on each partition. For example, you can open a whiteboard on the left window and a document on the right. This allows your team to take notes while reviewing the document. Resizing and switching windows is also a breeze. There are many ways you can use DuoWindows. You can compare documents, take minutes during a video call, or do a web search while brainstorming. Whatever your purpose may be, DuoWindows is flexible enough to fit your team's working style. Teams can use the DuoBoard with InstaShare for easy screen sharing. With it, you can quickly cast up to 9 smartphone, tablet, or notebook screens, regardless if the devices run on iOS, Android, macOS, or Windows. In addition, you can control the screens of each device directly on the DuoBoard. Here's casting from an iPad. When collaborating with team members, you can use the split screen feature so that everyone's screen appears on the board. You can split the screen into 2, 4, or 9, depending on the number of active participants. Because of the DuoBoard's touchscreen functionality, you can navigate any device screen displayed on the DuoBoard. The two-way touch feature lets you collaborate with your team on projects and presentations. You can edit it both on your computer or from the DuoBoard. When presenting, you can change slides by tapping the screen and highlight points using the DuoBoard Active Pen's laser pointer. By allowing multiple users to cast their screens on the DuoBoard, it's easier for teams to share ideas and work together in real time. The DuoBoard has a built-in Full HD camera and a 6-microphone array, which ensures terrific audio-video quality, perfect for video conferencing. With an OPS slot computer, you can easily use solutions such as Skype for Business, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Google Meet, or GoToMeeting. It also has a built-in video conferencing app that won't require you to create or sign in to any account. Just simply open the app, share the meeting ID, and start the call. The DuoBoard's built-in camera and microphone array seamlessly work with any video conferencing solution, so you don't need extra peripherals when using either the DuoBoard or OPS machine. There you have it. Conferencing, casting, and collaboration modes like DuoBoards, DuoOS, and DuoWindows make the DuoBoard the perfect workplace solution. Not only does the DuoBoard streamline different Office technologies into one very versatile tool, it also boosts overall creativity and collaboration. That's all for now. To know more about the DuoBoard and its features and specs, visit our website. Thanks for watching.